Did you know that ants offer powerful motivation through their remarkable traits, including immense strength, teamwork, and persistence? These tiny, organized insects accomplish astonishing feats by working together toward a common goal, demonstrating that individual effort, when combined with collective purpose, leads to extraordinary success. An ant can carry objects that are 20 to 50 times its own body weight. Ants communicate primarily through chemical signals called pheromones. Ant colonies operate with decentralized decision-making. Though the queen lays the eggs, she doesn't give orders. Ants never give up. When faced with a barrier, ants gather food during summer to prepare for winter scarcity. This ability to plan ahead for difficult times is an important part of their survival strategy, building incredible structures when focused on a goal such as gathering food. Ants continue their mission tirelessly, regardless of disturbances. Subscribe for more trivia facts and motivation. Stay inspired. Rising people.